Sang to the point bathing, let's have been soon game no more. Go to a good side from the end in the channel. That's in my darling.
Bigfoot is real! Bigfoot is real!
All right, guys, smile for the camera.
Look at this!
Bigfoot is real! We finally found Bigfoot!
I'm getting a picture of this. I told you guys he was real.
Yeah, best trip ever. Make sure you get the shirt in the shot.
Check it out, guys. Best ribs in the forest, and look who showed up. Having a great time.
Hey guys, check out the new campers. They seem a little tied up at the moment.
Order in the court. This is highly irregular.
Your Honor, may we approach the bench?
Counsel, approach the bench. We need to discuss the admissibility of this evidence before we proceed.
Freedom at last. You can't keep the Squatch down. Time to celebrate. So day 3 on the ridge. Starting to regret this one, folks. It's a bit nippy. Look what I got here. The legendary Carolina Reaper. Let's see if it's really that hot. All right, I know what you're thinking, but trust me, this was necessary. The relief. Check it out, breakfast is almost ready. Threw in some extra for the chicken.
I must be dreaming. Am I seeing this right?
Look at this, Pete. Perfectly medium rare. You earned it after swinging around all day. Getting hungry, Pete. This is gonna be epic.
Oh, smells incredible, yeah.
Nice shot, too.
Check it out, Pete. I am the Spider-Man now. Look at these muscles.
Yeah, real subtle, Sasquatch.
Look at us up here.
Check this out, folks. Nothing beats a fresh steak right off the fire. Look at that sear. Best breakfast in the whole forest. Hey everyone, check it out. We finally got the silver play button. Thanks for watching. Stay wild. They said I couldn't run, but look at me now. Together, we're building a stronger future for this community. This November, we're bringing real change to the neighborhood. Aren't we, Bob?
If you say so, Candidat.
The future belongs to those who are curious. Never stop exploring, whether it's the wilderness or the library.
The future of this great nation rests not in the woods, but right here, with you. Now who wants to see my selfie arm?
You need to input the print code right here, and then select the correct printer from the list.
All right, folks, remember to vote Harry this election. We're right here in the frozen aisle, getting the word out. Don't freeze your vote. Remember to vote Harry this election day.
My fellow Americans, this is what I call a great deal. Let's eat. Today, we gather here in this parking lot to celebrate the future. With these great pizzas, we move forward confidently.